Life cycle of the emperor moth, Cloncrobog Turles Pass. An ultraviolet light attracts moths during the night hours. They are funneled into a container and remain there unharmed until the morning, when they can be identified and released. With the help of photographic evidence, experts from Moths Ireland will quickly identify the different species, and records can then be uploaded onto the Biodiversity Ireland database, where their distribution is logged and monitored on a national database. The male emperor moth frantically patrols our raised bog during warm summer days in search of a newly emerged female with whom he can mate. This is his only function right now, and he relies on all the energy he has stored up as a caterpillar. Females remain hidden in the heather and fly after dark. Once impregnated, they lay large batches of eggs and commence their life cycle again. Female pheromones attract males from a great distance. If lucky, a female in your moth trap may lay a batch of eggs, which can be nurtured through the different developmental stages and develop over the summer months into a chrysalis to be released in the following month of April. It is fascinating to observe this whole process, and all that is required is to keep the caterpillars fed with blackthorn, whitethorn, and heather foliage. These are newly emerged caterpillars from the emperor moth eggs, which I found in my moth trap. Caterpillars are voracious eaters and need to be constantly fed foliage from their chosen food plant. They grow rapidly, shedding their casing as they transform from one instar to the next. They change dramatically in appearance before finally cocooning for the winter. A huge transformation takes place as caterpillars approach maturity. Over the summer months, they are constantly changing before finally cocooning and emerging as mature emperor moths. The final instar before the chrysalis stage is very obvious here. The fully grown caterpillar begins the process of change by weaving a silken web which encases and protects it over the winter months before emerging the following spring as a beautiful, fully grown emperor moth. Its life expectancy as a moth is short, and its only remaining task is to mate and ensure the continued survival of this intriguing creature. In this image, you can see an emperor moth caterpillar just before pupating. In the middle, you can see a caterpillar weaving a cocoon around itself, and in the top, you can see a more developed, hardened cocoon from which the emperor moth will emerge after its amazing transformation. Emperor moths finally emerge, and the cycle begins again.